They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags. I don't rest. I might be.
Welcome to the 12 days of Christmas, where I will be uploading 12 videos between now and Christmas, and also hosting a giveaway where I'm giving away 5 eyeshadow palettes. So make sure to enter. All the details are in the description box. For today's video, I'm actually swatching the Child Mandalorian Colourpop palette. It is absolutely incredible. I do a quick little unboxing at the start. I then do eye swatches on my eyes, and then I'll do the arm swatches. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and let's get right into it. Good morning, guys. Look what just arrived. I am so excited to get this. I thought I'd just open it on camera with you just because I'm just so excited for this. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Do you want to help me? Are you going to help me? So let's get this open and see, because I'm just way beyond excited. These are so cute. These are honestly my favorite things ever. I was kind of hoping to get one that's related to the Mandalorian, but that is fine. I love that you can just see his eye. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I am obsessed. Gosh, Colourpop's art department is the best thing ever. Oh, it's so cute. You guys are gonna get the first look, not even I'm gonna look. Oh, is it good? Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I love the little frog down there. This is so cute. So cute. Cutest in the galaxy. I love it. Ooh. Oh, wow. Gosh, that's amazing. It is the cutest thing ever. Cutest in the galaxy, literally. First impressions, I think it's absolutely everything. The packaging feels amazing. It's a little bit raised in areas as well. I love it. Colourpop is incredible. Their art team is just absolute goals. Let's get using this. I am so excited.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags. I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend, I need my checks. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, just not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right. Feeling nice, what's the price? Yeah, do not live in twice. Yeah, my fam on my spine. Yeah, green be getting sliced like a lime. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love.
I depend on the way you send chills down my spine. Wanna give you all my time. Give you all my time. You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why you don't really need her. Why you don't really need her. to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam, every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a lime, like a lime.
Drove the gates, feeling anxious around 12 a.m. Just moved, but might move it all out again. This feel like deja vu. Swear last year my brain bought the same thoughts through. I blame the things I do. Only difference is I ain't in school. You heard that news? I flip birdies to these worms in suits. So getting moved in a couple months. So we need a new place to go get shit done. Now I got my old flow. East Coast inspired. Ain't no biggie when I hit the whiskey, nothing that dark. Skin thin like a wire, we getting twisted. Said we cool, but you a liar on some bitch shit. You see big bodies, then my close bros. If you ain't by me, you can stay home. We ain't Kimosabis, don't get too close. Might get burned by wasabi, watch where that nose goes. You acting fishy, I'm preying on California rolls. I'm talking Hollywood movies, coming after the music. The takeover be looming, all your shit be amusing. Your best bars made me snicker like the fuck you saying. Mac got millies, but this kid just need 100 grand. Just some private to show my mama I really got it. Be screaming llama llama one day on a cruise show. Mood so elevated nowadays, picture that. Why she came and left, I never saw the point in that. I be needing cake, but who's catering? She working out, but we bout to add some weight again. Gon' leave this house, all the comfort getting to my head. It's coming soon, still don't know how I'ma pay the rent. Movie like Nice Side, too many. Now I'm too good at these fights, I've been through plenty. Defusing the bombs though. Take my talents down to LA like I'm Lonzo. But that's some future shit I'm on though. I've been feeling lukewarm, lukewarm, I'm lukewarm, lukewarm, I'm lukewarm, lukewarm, I'm lukewarm, lukewarm. Now my head clearer than a motherfucker. Dropping hits, making mama and your daddy love us. It's transparent, just transferring the info. Bars above the head like a limbo. Don't give too many fucks to an info, huh? You ain't never gon' get it with me, you condescending. Shit pretty good on my side, bitch, the condescending. Feel like a comma movie, rainy days a major setting. Done talking, don't debate, cause they major petty. Plans acting like the moves from a PMS. Reason is, my thoughts flailing like a DNS. Thought I'm about to leave, but it's seeming I ain't ready yet. And see, probably thinks my mind's got up in my head. Fuck explaining, no. Inspiration coming from these faces, ho. Plotting on these mixtapes and videos. Need these reps. 2018 and shit I stress. Cause I ain't ever going back to that fucking mess. Jumping out the whip, shit cold. Watching my step ground froze. Most my days spent alone. Same with my bro, he knows. Gotta pay dues. Walking in mud, you can check my shoes. Tryna bite this, might chip your tooth. Tryna come with you, fake no room. When I made that deal, they should go and pay bills. Time be on my ass, but I pull a stunt like Copperfield. Wanna see Holly's hills, that bitch got heat for real. Sad looking past the windowsill, I've been thinking about the same shit still. Gonna hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now, no sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5, grow it every drop. All night you just wanna get high, next day you forgot. Thought I told you that. This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me, Greek gon' kill like scream. Ego my enemy, my heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry. Lemonade sipping, I was in class tryna get my wishes. Dirt on my plate so I had to clean dishes. Knew that I'ma do this, I just had that feeling. You ain't gon' live like me, these heights be too frightening. Their opinion be too trifling. Don't like love, only do the flings. I think she the one, she the one, she the one for me. She the one, she the one, she the one I need. Then I think fuck that bitch, I just wanna fuck, gotta scratch that itch. Only 19, love don't make no sense. I don't wanna ask where all my time went. This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me, Greek gon' kill like scream. Ego my enemy, my heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry. Gon' hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now, no sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5, grow it every drop. All night you just wanna get high, next day you forgot. Thought I told you that. This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt.